Hello everyone, hello my students. Welcome back to my online class. How are you today? I am good, thank you. So today we will learn Family and Friends 2, Unit 3, Lesson 3, Sounds and Letters. Everyone please open your student books, page 24. Are you ready? Good. Now, everyone, I want you to sing a song. Let's sing with me.
In this song, we're going to practice the sounds that letters make. Are you ready? Let's go.
A, apple, apple.
B, ball. Ball.
C, cat, cat.
D, dog. Dog.
Apple.
Ball.
Cat.
Dog.
E, elephant, elephant.
F, frog. Frog.
G, guitar, guitar.
H, hat. Hat.
Elephant.
Frog.
Guitar.
Hat.
I, igloo, igloo.
J, jump. Jump.
K, kangaroo, kangaroo.
L, lion. Lion.
Igloo,
Jump.
kangaroo.
Lion.
M, monkey, monkey.
N, nurse. Nurse.
O, octopus, octopus.
P, pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Monkey,
Nurse.
octopus.
Pumpkin.
Q, queen, queen.
R, rocket. Rocket.
S, snake, snake.
T, train. Train.
Queen.
Rocket.
Snake.
Train.
U, umbrella, umbrella.
V, violin. Violin.
W, watch, watch.
X, box. Box.
Umbrella.
Violin.
Watch.
Box.
Y, yellow, yellow.
Z, zebra. Zebra.
Yellow.
Zebra. And that is the end of the song.
Okay, do you enjoy the song? So, everyone, let's look. I have a lot of letters here from A to Z. Today, we will learn the letters T and U. Everyone, let's listen and point to your book. Letter T. T. Letter T sound T. T. Tower. Tower. Turtle. Turtle. This is letter U. Letter U sound A. Umbrella. Umbrella. Up. Well done. Now everyone, let's listen and repeat.
Listening 45. Listen and point.
Letter T.
T. towel. Turtle.
Letter U.
Umbrella. Up.
Listening.
Now, let's listen and chant.
Listening 46. Listen and chant.
Look at the turtle. It has a towel. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Look at the umbrella. It goes up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Look at the turtle. It has a towel. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Look at the umbrella. It goes up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up.
Listen.
Okay, so now it's playtime. Everyone, let's listen to the sound and choose the correct answer.
Teacher. Teacher.
What can you hear? Teacher. So, the sound for letter T. T is for teacher, right? T is for teacher. T, t, teacher. It's not the letter U. The next one, listen.
Uncle.
Uncle. What letter is for uncle? Letter U. U is for uncle. Uncle. The next one.
Tiger.
Tiger. What letter is for tiger? Letter T. Tiger. The next one.
Unnecessary.
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 Unnecessary. So what letter is for unnecessary? Letter U. Okay, so everyone, let's stick and say. Look at three pictures here. The first one, what is this? This is a turtle and the towel. The turtle has a towel, right? So we got letter T is for turtle and T is for towel. The next one is letter S. So letter S is for sofa. Well done. Letter S is for sofa and socks. There's socks on the sofa. The last one is letter U. Letter U is for umbrella. Umbrella. The umbrella goes up. Well done. Now again, let's say. The turtle has a towel. The turtle has a towel. The umbrella goes up. The umbrella goes up. There are socks on the sofa. There are socks on the sofa. Well done. Now everyone, let's read. Look at these sentences and read. Look at the turtle. It has a towel. Look at the umbrella. It goes up. One more time. Look at the turtle. It has a towel. Look at the umbrella. It goes up. So, can you point to the letters T and letter U? We got the word turtle, right? Letter T is for turtle. Turtle. And towel. Towel. How about letter U? Letter U is for umbrella. Umbrella. And up. Up. So can you read these sentences again? Look at the turtle. It has a towel. Look at the umbrella. It goes up. Awesome. So everyone, it's time for workbook. And please do the exercises number 1, 2, and 3. Look at the exercise number 2. Listen, trace, and write the correct letters. Now let's listen and do in your workbook. Sorry.
Listening 6. Listen, trace, and write the correct letters.
Look at the turtle. It has a towel. Look at the umbrella. It goes up, up, up.
Okay, so now let's look at the exercise number 3. Listen and circle. Now let's listen and circle the correct picture.
Listening 7. Listen and circle. 1,
Up.
2,
Towel.
3,
Turtle.
4,
Umbrella.
Okay, let's finish your workbook. And now it's time to say goodbye and see you again. Goodbye, everyone. See you.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye to my teacher, to my friends. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. It's time to say goodbye to my teacher, to my friends.
Goodbye. See you later.